Hello everyone, welcome back to Angular version 17 tutorial session. Angular 17 was released on November 8th last year, and they added a lot of new features. Before we discuss the new features, let's first upgrade to version 17, and in the next video we will discuss the new features in detail. This is the application that was developed in Angular version 14, and now let's upgrade this to version 17 and make the application up and running. I pulled the code to Visual Studio Code, and if you look at the package.json, the current Angular version is 14. Let me stop the application first. So if you look at the current Angular CLI version, it is 14. So as a first step, let's upgrade the Angular CLI to 17. I'm copying the Angular CLI command. So I'm upgrading the Angular CLI. So now if you see the Angular CLI version 17 is installed. Now let's move to our project folder. And run ng update command. So right now, if you see on the screen, right now the current version that I have, CLI and core 14 version, first it is asking me to upgrade to 15 instead of directly going to 17. So 14.2.13 to 15.2.9. So let me run the update command to 15 version. Okay, I have some local changes. Let me commit the changes to the branch. So I post my changes to my develop branch. So now let me run the ng update. So now it is updating Angular CLI to 15 first. Then automatically it will update the core as well. It is installing all the required packages. Let me run the ng update again. So now that it is updated to 15.2.1, and it is asking me to upgrade to 16.2.9. Oh, okay, I have the changes because of the current upgrade. Let me commit the changes and push it to the develop branch. Again, we will run the ng update. So if I run this command, now it will upgrade to 16. It takes a few minutes. Let's wait. So there are peer dependencies. Basically, in my project currently, I have a ng bootstrap older version. So it is asking me whether I wanted to forcefully upgrade this. So I'm running it with the force command so that it will ignore the peer dependencies and it will just upgrade the Angular. Later we can upgrade the ng bootstrap separately. Let me check the update again. So now the current version is upgraded to, now the current version is upgraded to 16.2.12 and so let me update it to 17.2.2. Okay, so because I upgraded to 16.2.12, it is asking me to commit the changes and push it. So basically it won't upgrade when there are local changes. Let me update again. Okay, let me run the ng update for Angular CLI. Okay, it is again giving the same error because I have a ng bootstrap in my package.json. So there is a compatibility issue. It is asking me whether I want to still upgrade it because there is a dependency. So let me run this with the force command. Now it is updating. Now if you see on the screen, it is updating it to 17.2.2. So the CLI compiler and even the TypeScript version also upgraded from 4.9.5 to 5.3.3. I'm just checking if there is anything pending. Okay, so now the update is done. If you see, we analyzed your package.json and everything seems to be in order. Let's start the application now. So since I have a ng bootstrap older version, but the Angular is upgraded to 17.2.2, so it is asking me to fix that ng bootstrap version. So not only the ng bootstrap, if you have any other modules that are used which is incompatible with Angular 17, so you need to upgrade those dependent libraries as well. But right now I have only ng bootstrap. So let me install with the force so that it will pick the latest version for the ng bootstrap. Now the ng bootstrap issue is fixed and it installed 13.0.0, which is the compatible version. Let me start the application. Okay, so it is throwing some issue with the bootstrap. Let me check. So let me remove this ng bootstrap and I'll add it again. Let me go to Angular bootstrap page and let me copy the command to add the bootstrap to my Angular application. Bootstrap is installed. Let me start the application. So the application is started and it is running on the port 4200. So the application is up and running. So we upgraded from Angular version 14 to Angular 17 and I am able to navigate to each and every page. So that's all from this particular video.